Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini AI Unlimited. Begin by signing into your Google account and opening the Gemini AI Unlimited dashboard. Next, choose a generation mode and pick a model size that matches your task needs. Configure response style and temperature settings to shape output tone and creativity. Finally, set API keys, usage quotas, and billing alerts to avoid surprises while you experiment and build. Sign into your Google account and locate the Gemini AI Unlimited console from the product menu. Generate an API key and store it securely for integrations with apps or scripts. Choose a model and adjust parameters like temperature, max tokens, and safety filters to fit your project. Test small prompts first, monitor usage in the dashboard, and enable billing alerts to maintain control while scaling up your experiments and workflows. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfortable during long coding sessions and debugging marathons. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. For reliable results, build reusable prompt templates and include clear system instructions at the start of each session. When calling the API, batch requests and reuse cached outputs to save on tokens and reduce latency. Keep an eye on model updates and evaluate outputs periodically, adjusting prompts and safety settings as needed. Finally, combine Gemini with local preprocessing and post-processing to automate workflows and improve overall result quality for production use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.